Hello, you lovely people. I hope you're ready for a burst of summer flavor, because today we're diving into one of the season's most iconic treats. Let's talk about the ultimate summer treat, grilled corn on the cob. Whether you're at a backyard barbecue, a family picnic, or just craving something delicious, this is the dish that brings everyone together. The sun's out, the barbecue's sizzling, and nothing says summer like that sweet, smoky corn. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, and the sound of corn crackling on the grill is pure summer music. It's simple, honest, and a real crowd pleaser. Kids, grandparents, everyone loves it. There's just something magical about gathering around, sharing food, and making memories with every bite. Grilling transforms corn. The heat caramelizes the natural sugars, giving you a nutty, smoky flavor you just can't get from boiling. Each kernel bursts with juicy sweetness, and the grill marks add a beautiful rustic touch. Those charred bits? Pure magic. They're the secret to that irresistible taste and texture, making every bite a little adventure. All you need is fresh corn, a bit of butter, and a hot grill. That's it. But if you want to take things up a notch, you can add herbs, spices, or even a sprinkle of cheese. We'll walk you through picking the best cobs, prepping them just right, and making some wicked flavored butters that will blow your mind. Trust me, it's easier than you think. By the end, you'll be a grilled corn legend. Your friends and family will be begging for your secret recipe. So grab your tongs, fire up that grill, and let's cook up some summer happiness together. Ready? Let's do it. Scene transition. To make truly brilliant grilled corn, you need to start with the freshest cobs you can find. The journey to perfect corn begins long before you fire up the grill, right here at the bustling market, where every ear is a potential treasure. As you wander through the stalls, keep your eyes peeled for husks that are bright green and tightly wrapped around the cob. These are signs that the corn is fresh and full of flavor. Avoid any cobs with husks that look dry, yellowed, or papery. They're past their prime. Next, take a close look at the corn silk peeking out from the top. It should be golden, slightly sticky to the touch, and have a sweet, earthy smell. If the silk is black, mushy, or slimy, that's a sign the corn is old or spoiled. Give each cob a gentle squeeze in your hand. It should feel firm and plump, with kernels packed tightly together under the husk. This means the corn is juicy and at its peak. If you notice any soft spots, gaps, or missing kernels, don't hesitate to put that cob back. Only the best will do for your grill. Think of this as a little treasure hunt. Searching for the perfect ear is the first step to creating something truly delicious and memorable. Don't be shy about inspecting each cob. Take your time, turn them over, and trust your senses. The best cooks are always curious and careful shoppers. Remember, freshness is everything when it comes to corn. The juicier and sweeter the kernels, the more incredible your grilled corn will taste. Once you've found those perfect ears, plump, green, and golden, you're already halfway to summer perfection. The right corn makes all the difference. Now, let's get your market treasures home and get ready to transform them into something mouth-watering on the grill. Scene transition. You've got your perfect corn. Now let's prep it. Peel off the husks and silk completely so the kernels hit the flames directly. Rinse the cobs under cold water and pat dry. This gives you a clean, blank canvas for grilling. Optional tip. Soak the cobs in water for 15 minutes to keep them extra juicy on the grill. It's not essential, but it can help prevent drying out. Now your corn is ready for the fire. Simple, quick, and fun. Just the way summer cooking should be. Let's move on to the best part, grilling. Scene transition. Fire up your grill to medium-high heat. Place the corn directly on the grates. You want to hear that sizzle. Don't overcrowd. Give each cob space. Grill for 10-15 minutes. turning every few minutes for even char and color. The kernels will brighten and get those irresistible, smoky, browned spots. When the corn is tender and golden, it's done. Use tongs to lift them off and pile onto a platter. The smell is pure summer. Ready for the finishing touch? Scene transition. Hot grilled corn needs butter, lots of it. There's just something magical about watching that golden butter melt and sizzle as it hits the hot kernels, soaking in and making every bite irresistible. Butter is the classic topping for corn, and for good reason. It brings out the sweetness and adds a rich, creamy finish that's hard to beat. Start with a simple knob of salted butter, letting it melt and drip down the sides, or make it extra special with homemade flavored butters. Flavored butters are a fun way to add personality and a burst of flavor to your corn. For garlic herb butter, mix soft butter with plenty of chopped garlic, fresh parsley, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. The herbs and garlic infuse the butter, making every bite fragrant and savory. For a spicy kick, try chili lime butter. Just add lime zest, a squeeze of lime juice, and finely chopped red chili to your butter. This combo gives your corn a zesty, tangy heat that's perfect for summer cookouts. Mix your flavored butter well, then either use it soft and spreadable or roll it into a log using parchment paper and chill it. Once it's firm, you can slice perfect rounds to top your corn, making serving easy and mess-free. As the flavored butters melt into the hot corn, they create layers of taste. Each bite is a new experience, bursting with flavor and richness. It's easy, looks impressive, and everyone can pick their favorite flavor. Set out a few different butters and let your guests experiment and discover their own perfect combination. Butter is the secret to next-level grilled corn. It transforms a simple ear of corn into something truly special and memorable. Get creative. There are no rules. Try adding smoked paprika, crumbled cheese, or even a touch of honey for a sweet twist. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to experiment. Ready to serve? Arrange your grilled corn on a platter, set out your flavored butters, and watch everyone dig in with excitement. Let's bring it all together. Scene transition. Time to eat. Slather your hot corn with plenty of butter. Don't be shy. Use a knife, brush, or just rub a slice of chilled butter right on. Sprinkle with sea salt, black pepper, or extra chili flakes for a kick. Corn holders help keep your fingers clean, but getting messy is half the fun. Serve whole cobs on a platter or slice off the kernels for a smoky corn salad with tomatoes, onion, and lime. Grilled corn goes with everything: burgers, chicken, fish, or just on its own. However you serve it, it's always a hit. Dig in and enjoy the taste of summer. Scene transition. 10. Every barbecue has the legend of the last cob, one perfect ear left on the platter, everyone too polite to take it. It's a funny tradition that shows just how much people love grilled corn. Eating with your hands, sharing stories, and laughing together, corn brings people closer. I'll never forget my uncle spinning his cob like a typewriter and sending kernels flying. Those are the memories that last. Grilled corn is more than a recipe. It's about summer, friends, and fun. So next sunny day, fire up the grill, grab some fresh corn, and make your own summer magic. You'll be glad you did. Happy grilling, everyone. End.